To get your business registered in SAM, you will go to www.sam.gov. Once you get to the home page of SAM.gov, you will go to Register Your Entity and click on Get Started. On this page, it would also give you some information on what you need to gather to start your registration with SAM. Of course, we've already discussed this information. You want to have your DUNS number, prepare your data, which is your EIN number and your bank account information. You want to get a login.gov account, which we will talk about in just a moment. And once that is completed, you would submit and finish your SAM registration. So let's get a login.gov account. Click on, in the top right-hand corner, Entity Registration Home. Once you get on Entity Registration Home, you want to click on Sign In. Even though you don't already have an account, you still want to click on the Sign In button. And you do have to accept this message in order to move forward. So now we're on the SAM.gov login.gov homepage or login page. Once you get on this page, you want to click on Create an Account if you don't already have an account. If you do have an account, use the email address that you used when you started your registration and the password that you created. So in this case, we want to create an account. You want to enter your email address, and I highly suggest to use your business email address. You will receive a lot of correspondence through the SAM.gov registration process, and so you want to make sure that you're using an email address where you receive all your business correspondence. And of course, you want to click on whichever language you want the SAM to default to. You want to click on this, check this box to accept the login.gov rules, and take the time to read the rules of use, and then click Submit. Once you click Submit, you can now set up your SAM registration profile, create your passcode and login, and begin the registration process.